Good afternoon everyone, and in today's video we are going to install MikoPBX using Alibaba Cloud services. Before we start, I should say that this type of installing will be available from the first release in 2025 year. Also this video will be divided into several parts for your convenience, and for now we are ready to start. Firstly, we should download the disk image file from MikoPBX releases GitHub. You need to download the file with RAW extension. I did it before, and that is mean we're ready to do our first step inside Alibaba Cloud services. Firstly, we should go to the object storage services. You can do that in the navigation menu. Here we should go to the buckets section. Firstly, we should create a bucket. We can do that using this button. Firstly, you should type bucket name. You can type whatever you want, but I will use MikoPBX image bucket, like B. Then we should choose the region. It is very important because region in every part of your actions in the installation process should be the same. Okay, I will use Kuala Lumpur one. After that you should click OK, and your bucket will be created. I created before. Let's go inside it just by clicking on this name. Here we should go to the object section, and here your bucket will be empty. And you should press the button upload image, and after that choose your image file. After you will do that, it will be uploaded, and yeah, let's do that. Select file. I will use this one, and yeah, after that you should click upload object, and then you should wait for around 5 minutes until it will be done, and we will be ready to go further. Okay, we have done here, and after our image being uploaded, we should click on its name, and here in the view details section we should copy object URL. Just press this button and we are ready for the next step. We are going to create our personal image inside Alibaba Cloud services. For that, in the navigation menu we should go to the Elastic Compute Service, which is ECS console. Here we should go to the images section and click import image. Here we should choose Linux operating system, and then click. Now we should choose our region, it's very important. Malaysia, import image. Here choose Linux operating system. Here you can check your region. Again, it's really important. Then click next, confirm, and here in the first field just paste your link. After that just type some name for your image. For me that would be MikoPBX image, for example. Then in OS type choose Linux, OS version choose others Linux, and architecture choose 64-bit OS. And here remove checkbox check after import. Okay, then click OK and close. after that you should wait for around 2 minutes until your image will be available, like this one. And after that we will be ready for the next step. Alright, our image is available now, and now I suggest you to create a new security group for our virtual machine. For that, you should go to the network and security section and then go to security groups. Yeah, here for creating a new security group, we should press the create security group button. Okay, here we will disable all firewall rules because in the future we will use firewall on our MikoPBX station. Okay, now we are in configuring menu, and firstly you can type some name for your security group. For example, let's use MikoPBX firewall. After that you should choose your network. If you don't have a network here, you should press create VPC to create a new network. Yeah. After that, choose a basic security group. Also choose your resource group. For me it is just default one. And after that, delete all rules here except the last one. And here change protocol type to all. We will allow all connections, inbound connections, and for outbound, by default, Alibaba Cloud allow everything. Yeah. And after that, click create security group. Okay, our security group was successfully created and we are ready for the next step. Okay, for the next step, let's create a key pair, and after that import this pair to the Alibaba Cloud interface. For that, go to key pair section and here click create SSH key pair. And here we should type some name. For example, for me that would be MikoPBX new key pair, and then click import. Alright, after that we should generate SSH keys. In this video, for example, I will use PowerShell and I will generate SSH key pair using SSH key gain command. Also I would like to say that in our documentation we have some article about different types of SSH connection, and here you can find, for example, how to generate SSH keys on Linux or macOS. Okay, let's generate our key. I will use default path, and yeah, I will overwrite it without passphrases, and yeah, we successfully generated our key, and for now let's get it using getContent command. Okay, after that we should copy our key, public key, and paste it here in the ESS console. Alright, then we should choose our resource group and click OK. Alright, and for now we are ready for the final step inside Alibaba Cloud. We will create our virtual machine. Alright, firstly, for the section we should go to the instances and here click create instance. Alright, now we are in the configuring section, and firstly we should choose our billing method for our virtual machine. I will use pay-as-you-go. After that you should choose your region, network and zone. Okay, now we are in the instances and images section, and here we should choose configuration for our virtual machine. I will use one of the basic one, but you can use whatever you want. After that, go to image section, and here click custom image and choose the image we created before. Okay, now we are in the storage section, and here we should choose the size for our system disk. The minimum amount in Alibaba Cloud is 20 gigabytes, and because of that we will use this one. Then we should add the second disk, which we'll use for storing calls records. And the recommended size for the second disk inside MikoPBX is more than 50 gigabytes. But for my example machine, I will use 40. Alright, and then we should go to the bandwidth and security group section, and here choose our bidding method for bandwidth. I will use the basic one, and here in the security group section you should choose your security group. For me it is this one. Okay, and then go to the management section, and here we should choose our key pair. For me it is this one, and at this moment we are ready to create our virtual machine. Let's press this button, and after that we should wait for a few minutes until our system will be loaded. Okay, as we can see in the instances section, our virtual machine is successfully running. And now I would like to show you two different ways how to connect to the MikoPBX console. Firstly, we should go to the instances information section, and here we should click connect button and choose VNC console. Click sign in now, and wait for some time. Yeah, and now we are in the MikoPBX console. Alright, the second way is connecting using SSH keys. For that you should find your public IP address station, public IP address of your station, and copy that. Then go to your terminal or PowerShell, and here type this command, which is SSHI, and the path to your SSH key pair, and after that default username, which is root for Alibaba Cloud, and then after the symbol the IP address of your MikoPBX station. Then click enter, and yeah, now we are in the MikoPBX console again. Okay, the next step is connecting to the web interface. For that you should copy your public IP address and just paste it in the address bar of your browser. Okay, here default username is admin, and default password is an ID of your virtual machine. You can find it here, it is instance ID. Just copy that and then paste it in the password field. Then click authorize, and yeah, as we can see, we successfully authorized into a web interface, and let's change the password. Okay, save settings, and for now our station is fully ready to use. And Later in the video we will test our system by connecting two different soft phones and using default Alplan application echo test. In today's video I will use Light and Zoiper. Firstly, let's connect our first employee with internal number 201 to the Light. For that, go to Light interface, here go to configuration section and click new. Here in the domain realm field, type your IP address of your MikoPBX station, 38. Then go next. Here in the username field, type internal number of your employee and the same for authentication name field. And after that, for the password field, you should copy the password. You can do that by this button inside web interface of MikoPBX and paste it here. Then click next, finish, and as we can see by this green indicator inside Light interface and the same indicator inside MikoPBX interface, our connection was successful. Now let's connect our employee with internal number 202 to the Zoiper. For that, type the internal number, then this symbol, and after that the IP address of your station again, 154.38. And for the password field, in the same way, copy the password and paste it there. After that, click login, next, skip, next, and we've got the same result. Here we have green indicator and the same inside MikoPBX interface. Now let's try to call our second soft one from the first one. As we can see, everything works perfectly, and now we are ready for the last part of our video, which is testing our system using internal Alplan application echo test. For the last part of our video, let's check our phone line using internal Alplan application, which named echo test. Let's deal its internal number from one of our soft phones. For example, let's do that from Zoiper. It's 10003246. If everything works good, we can hear ourselves when we will deal. Let's do that. 1, 2, test. Yeah. As we can see, everything works perfectly, and that is mean our installation process and everything else was successful. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye.